Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Valerie Lynn here, coming live to you from my channel, Miss Lynn. So today I want to tell you about the business EASY1UP and why I think it is the best company to start with when you're looking for your first online business, your first company to start with, you're looking to get into the entrepreneur industry. EASY1UP is your ticket to get started with. There's 3 reasons why I believe that. But first, out of the top 5 industries in online business, one of the top 5 is education and services. So EASY1UP fits into that because we are a digital educations company. We sell training for entrepreneurs and business owners to use so that they can grow their business. Everyone needs training, trust me. So that goes into my first point of why EASY1UP is so good for beginners, because you're purchasing training. You're getting training that's going to teach you about the industry. So when you first start out, you can be completely clueless and you can learn from the training that you purchased. The second reason is because of our team. I'm with Team Impact and we have the absolute best team when it comes to EASY1UP because we do things that other teams don't do. When it comes to Facebook ads, we teach them exclusively just for being on our team. And people pay hundreds of thousands of dollars to learn Facebook ads. We teach it just because you're on our team. We have live trainings of it. We have a very awesome top earner who is incredible with ads, and she teaches us all of her secrets. So we have exclusive team training on top of the training you receive from the company itself. We also do live webinars every Monday and Wednesday. Speaking of that, it is Wednesday, so I will leave that link down below. It starts at 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time on Zoom. So if you'd like to get on, come a few minutes early so that you can get set up and come and join us so that you can check out the company and learn about it on video live with some of our top earners and a lot of our team. So we do that to help close sales. We all as a team help to close each other's sales, and one way that we do that is through this webinar. You just need to get your leads there, and then we help close them with the presentation that is done on the live webinar. The third reason is because we are global. Most companies are, United States or just Canada, so that's very limiting. Being able to sell to people all around the world and help people and work with people all around the world expands your audience infinitely. There's no reason why you wouldn't be able to find people to work with. So that goes into not having to deal with bugging family or friends or anyone about your business, because we are going to teach you how to bring people to you, how to brand yourself, and how to expand your business, through to people that you haven't even met yet. So, as one of the top 5 in-demand industries when it comes to digital business and entrepreneurship, education and services is one of them. And that's why EASY1UP is so great, and it is in demand because we do training. And that is one of the top 5 industries when it comes to what people promote online. The other ones are like health and wellness, fitness, things like that. But also in the top 5 is education and services, which is EASY1UP. Therefore, we have a product that's in demand. We have a very dedicated team that is there for you, there to help you. And also the person you join under is your dedicated sponsor. You choose to go through that person because they're going to help you on your journey. And the fact that we're global. So that is why EASY1UP is the best, and it is my high-ticket company that I mainly promote. I have other affiliate companies that I do as well, but EASY1UP is my high-ticket one. Oh, geez, I didn't even tell you guys the other best part. A lot of companies have, some sort of monthly fee, or they pay you, direct deposit once a week, whatever it is. Their compensation plan is, extended. When it comes to EASY1UP, our compensation plan is instant 100% commission payments. So as soon as you make a sale, that payment is available to you in your PayPal that you can take out right then and there. So you make a $250 sale for the day, you can take that money out right then and there. You don't have to wait for the whole week. You don't have to wait for the month or anything to get that payment. Next is the fact that we don't have a monthly fee. A lot of companies, especially product companies, you have to invest in the product itself. You always have to invest in the product, but you have to continuously invest in it. So you have to have some sort of monthly fee that you have to keep up with to be part of the company. When it comes to EASY1UP, you pay once. It's a one-time payment. There's no monthly fees. There's nothing else after that. You pay once. And then the only time that you pay again is if you want to upgrade to a higher training level. So it's great, especially for first-time people. You know, they don't have to worry about a monthly fee. They don't have to worry about keeping up with any type of payment or trying a bunch of different products or anything like that. And everything is online so that it makes it easier for us. We don't have any inventory we have to take care of, no drop shipping, no nothing like that. All right. Hey guys, thanks for coming to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video today. Please, if you'd like to check out EASY1UP, don't feel hesitant to contact me. My business number is down below, my website to check out our EASY1UP company, and I will always leave the webinar link in there. You can join us Monday or Wednesday and come hang out with us and learn about the company from the team. Thank you, everyone. Like this video and make sure to subscribe so that you can keep getting content from me. And make sure to hit that little bell notification so you get notified every time I do put up new content. Thank you, everyone. Have a great Wednesday.